The six-figure illusion. For generations, earning $100,000 a year was the ultimate financial milestone. It was the universal symbol of financial freedom, achieving the upper middle class and proving that you had officially made it. If you crossed the six-figure line, you were supposed to be set for life. But today, the reality of modern money has completely smashed that dream. In major cities all across the country, families and single professionals earning $100,000 are opening up their bank apps at the end of the month and realizing they have absolutely nothing left. They are not buying luxury yachts or taking expensive European vacations. They are struggling to pay for basic groceries, rising electricity bills, and standard housing. They are trapped in a brand new economic phenomenon known as the broke high earner. The uncomfortable truth is that the modern financial system is silently engineered to drain high incomes completely under your radar. You are running on a financial treadmill that keeps moving faster, forcing you to work harder just to stay in the exact same place. Over the next 10 minutes, we are going to look at the cold, hard numbers. We are going to expose the invisible traps keeping six-figure earners living paycheck to paycheck, and more importantly, we will give you the exact game plan to break out of the system and reclaim your financial freedom. Chapter 1. The Tax and Deductions. Gut punch. Let's start with the absolute first trap that hits your money before you even see a single dime in your checking account. This is the tax and payroll deductions gut punch. When a company offers you a salary of $100,000, that number is a complete fiction. It only exists on paper. In the real world, the government gets paid first, and they get paid aggressively. Depending on where you live, federal income taxes, state taxes, and local municipal taxes will immediately strip away roughly 25% of your gross earnings. Just like that, your $100,000 is instantly reduced to $75,000. But the bleeding does not stop there. If you want a basic workplace health insurance plan for your family, that premium is deducted automatically. If you want to put a modest 5% into a retirement account, that cash disappears too. After factoring in Social Security contributions and payroll taxes, your actual take-home pay is reduced to roughly $63,000 a year. That breaks down to exactly $5,250 a month. That is your real starting line. When you tell people you make six figures, your brain thinks you have $100,000 of buying power. But your bank account only has $5,200. You are already starting the month at a massive disadvantage because your lifestyle expectations are built on your gross salary, while your economic reality is limited by your net income. Chapter 2. The Frictionless Spending Trap. Now that your money has been reduced to $5,200, let's look at the second major cash leak. This is the psychological manipulation of modern payment systems, or what economists call the frictionless spending trap. The banking system absolutely loves digital wallets and tap-to-pay credit cards. They do not promote these tools to make your life convenient. They promote them because they are scientifically designed to eliminate the pain of paying. For thousands of years, humans transacted using physical, tangible objects like gold coins or paper banknotes. When you bought a premium item, you had to physically open your wallet, count out the paper bills, and hand them over to a stranger. Your brain registered that physical separation as a literal loss, which naturally triggered a psychological break that stopped you from overspending. Modern digital transactions have completely deleted that break. When you tap your smartphone against a glowing reader at a coffee shop or a grocery store, your mind registers zero physical loss. It feels exactly the same to tap for a $5 coffee as it does to tap for a $500 smartphone. This total lack of tactile friction tricks your subconscious mind into overspending on minor, everyday convenience items. Data tracks prove that consumers spend up to 20% more money on pure impulse when using frictionless digital payment methods compared to using cash. For a high earner, a 20% increase in daily casual spending completely melts away that $5,000 monthly budget. You are bleeding pure capital out of your wallet every single day simply because your payment methods are too smooth. Chapter 3. The Subscription and Fixed Leak Cycle. The third hidden system keeping high earners broke is the rise of the infinite subscription economy. Traditional corporations no longer want you to buy a product once and own it forever. They want to trap you in an endless loop of recurring monthly fees. Think about your current financial statements. You have subscriptions for movie streaming, music apps, cloud storage premiums, gym memberships, software tools, and even automated grocery deliveries. On their own, these individual transactions look completely harmless. Your brain scans your bank statement, sees a charge for $14, and completely ignores it because it sits below your fraud radar. But these automated microtransactions do not live in isolation. When you add up 5, 10, or 15 of these silent recurring leaks, you are quietly draining hundreds of dollars of pure cash from your pocket every single month. This is money that is permanently leaving your household asset base before you even have a chance to budget it. The banking system thrives on your total financial detachment. They know that once you sign up for a free trial and link your card, you are highly likely to forget about it for months or even years. This is an invisible cash tax that high earners pay simply for being unorganized. Over a single year, these forgotten subscription cycles compound into thousands of dollars of wasted capital that could have been anchored into real, tangible assets. Chapter 4. The Lifestyle Creep Trap. The fourth and final pillar keeping you trapped is the most dangerous behavioral trap of all: lifestyle creep. When you are making $50,000 a year, you live in a modest apartment, drive an older used car, and cook your meals at home. But the moment you land that big promotion and cross the $100,000 line, your psychology changes completely. You feel like you have earned the right to upgrade. You move into a premium downtown apartment with higher rent. You trade in your reliable vehicle for a luxury car payment, and you start eating out at high-end restaurants multiple times a week just to fit into your new social tier. This is the trap of lifestyle inflation. You are expanding your fixed monthly bills at the exact same rate that your income increases. You are building a gilded cage around yourself. Even though your environment looks wealthier, your actual financial security remains exactly the same as when you were making half the money. If you lose your job next week, your massive fixed overhead expenses will completely crush you in less than 30 days. You are entirely dependent on your next corporate paycheck because you have chosen to look rich today instead of becoming genuinely wealthy tomorrow. Conclusion: the Reclaim Blueprint. Breaking free from this invisible system requires a complete shift in your financial philosophy. True financial freedom is never determined by how much money you earn. It is entirely determined by how much physical capital you retain and protect. To smash the six-figure illusion and build real wealth, you must implement the cash discipline rule today. First, stop using frictionless digital taps for casual spending and return to physical cash for your minor daily expenses. Force your brain to feel the loss of money. Second, aggressively audit your transaction statement. List every single recurring payment and ruthlessly cancel every app you have not used in the last 30 days. Third, freeze your lifestyle overhead. The next time you get a raise or a bonus, anchor that capital directly into real, tangible reserves instead of upgrading your lifestyle. Stop letting the system dictate your financial worth. Reclaim your discipline, protect your labor, and build true self-reliance. Thank you for watching. If you want raw financial reality without the corporate fluff, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Finance Simplified right now.